But they have not been maintained. They spent 400 rupees on maintenance in all this time. 400 years in 21 years. Now we even go to the extent of boundary walls. You know, our boundary walls are designed like this. This is a Bhumihin camp. Why do we have boundary walls like this? Is it pure decorative? No, it's not. But the worst thing I see in Delhi is, देखो गधा पेशाब कर रहा है all over. There is an attitude called the Indian male bladder. You know, we see a blank wall and the bladder begins to pump, and we want to pee on the wall. But you make it transparent. The guy doesn't want to show his family jewels. The wall will remain clean. There will be no posters, and these exist for the 21 years that I'm talking about this project. So there are many other things, because I am not doing architecture per se. I am doing what is called human settlement design. I study the psychology of people, why they do what they do, and then I try and provide answers for what I think. Maybe I'm not showing you all this for the sake of saying that yes, I'm Tiger and these are the projects I do. I'm trying to tell you to examine things, the logic. There's a whole logic behind this. The answers will be different. Everyone will come up with a separate answer. This now is no good saying that I am doing this for the slums, I am doing this for the high income group, I did this in Jamaica. Well, we do it for the very high income group also, the same technologies. This lady came to me from Chandigarh, she'd never been to a site, she's a fresh graduate. I told her, I'll give you these drawings, I'll teach you this in 10 days, you will go and make this house in Chandigarh. I will never come to the site. The house is being built 6 years ago, I've never been to the site. I've been to Chandigarh several times. I would work only through the internet. And this girl, after documenting this project, applied to universities abroad. Every university gave her admission, including Harvard, and with full scholarships. So everybody who's trained with me on these things, every kid who's trained has stopped at the universities and has gone into every university in the world without paying a fee. So it can be done. Now I'm coming to another problem, you know, flyovers. You know, you have flyover, this is ITO. You have, what do you do in flyovers? And you're building it. The status of a city is how many flyovers do you have? Delhi already has 45, they're going to build another 38. बनाए जा रहे हैं, जितने फ्लाईओवर बना रहे हैं उतने बैंड बजी जा रही है. More traffic jam than ever before. So a flyover only resolves two problems, this way and this way. So why did you fly the guy over the flyover if you had to put a traffic light at the base of the flyover? Because the pedestrian has got to cross. So all these problems are not resolved. So I said, why don't you design traffic solutions around pedestrians? The guy said, mad guy, you know. Is a bus or car का problem है. ये तो बोलता है कि pedestrian पे design करो. Let's see if it makes sense. That's what you got. You got this guy over, but you see what he created below. But I am saying that every day you have rotary mode separation. You have a pedestrian, you have a bus, and you have a car. You do mode separation every day. You get stuck at an intersection. So what did I do? I just used a little bit of common sense. I said, take the car down into an inner rotary at 2.5 meters. Take the bus up into an upper rotary at 2.5 meters. And I get a green area in the center. What's difficult about that? It's taken me 14 years to prove this point to the Delhi government. And they gave me one to do now, which will be done after the Commonwealth Games, intentionally to see that I can't do it. Because they never had only this problem, they've gone and built the damn metro over it also. To the 2.5 meters I require clearance for that, also I can't get now. उन्होंने कहा यहाँ इसकी बैंड बजा देंगे. इंजीनियरिंग चीफ ने एलजी के सामने कमेंट कर दिया. वहाँ का भी सोल्यूशन निकाल दिया हमने. बिकॉज हम जिद्दी आदमी है, निकालना है, तो बैंड बजानी है तो बजानी है. And anybody can do this. It's such a simple thing. Now I'm just giving you an instance. We've given all the traffic figures, etc. We've done all that. I'm not a transport planner. I use common sense. It's very simple to do it. But I can make it very complicated. I can write project reports. I'm good at writing. I'm better at writing than speaking. This is what you have at Dhola Kuan. Coming from Bujeti Park, if you want to go to Ring Road, a man has got to walk 3.6 kilometers. Every time I bash up my driver, I say, रास्ता नहीं आता, मारो पीछे से, उसे झाड़ पड़ गया. मैं मुझे गाड़ी दो, मुझे भी रास्ता नहीं निकलेगा वहाँ से. You can't figure out how to go in and out of that place. The best of people can't. But before it was built, I told them do this. That's over 32 acres, 200 crores. This will be in the 40 crores. the whole green area in the center. Look at this. This is All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Can you figure out how to go in there and come out? You got All India Institute of Medical Sciences here, Safdarjung Hospital here. There is no way a pedestrian can go in there. And if a pedestrian comes out, a patient can go in there. If a patient goes in there and comes out, either this side or this side, he'll break his legs. Hospital on both sides, good business. अंदर जाओ, बाहर टांग तोड़ो, फिर वापस चले जाओ. Is this what you're doing? And this is what could have been done. Very simple. You don't lose your sense of direction. This is the one that they gave us. Dayal Chowk, for those of you who've been to Karol Bagh, you got the metro line additionally on top. And then you got the electric crematorium in Jhandewala. So they asked me to do that. I said, I can't do one. I always do a zone. So even though they paid me for one, I'm doing three. At the price of one, just to prove the point. And this is the solution. They've got a 90-foot Hanuman Mandir right there at the chowk there. So the pedestrians come. Hanuman ko to Mangalwar ko to puja karni hai. The traffic is so much. Then the pedestrians. So I said, okay, we'll take a deviation in between these columns and take it out there, bring it down and take them down here, and we'll give this in the pedestrian plaza totally at zero level and take the cars down in the slipway from here, go down and come out wherever you want on that side. Now it's been cleared. But it's taken me 14 consistent years. I need the support of architects. I need others to do this. I'm saying, come to me, I'll give it to you for free. But let's build up a support base and say this is what it's all about. New traffic plan backfires. बनाया उन्होंने, PWD ने flyover बना दिया. Now to get to the airport from IIT takes 2 hours. The flyovers were built to reduce the traffic. Then they realized it doesn't work. So they have half the time one direction, half the time the other direction. People in Vasant Vihar, and the LG is going to retire one day and he's going to live on the same place. He'll never be able to get his car out. जो उन्होंने कर दिया. This is another one, this is another road stretch I'm going to skip through. I think otherwise liquor will begin to boil and the khana will get cold. I'm going to go through fast now. And this is what could have been done at the Rautula Ram Marg, etc., to be able to let the traffic free at West End Colony over here, Vasant Vihar this side, and this going to the airport. It could have been traffic free. What happens is when you have a traffic light is you stop the traffic, the other side the traffic is moving. When you stop the traffic here, this traffic is piled up, the traffic is moving, and that half is free. And this is moving, then the other one happens. You're using 50% of the roads because half the time you've got traffic lights. अब BRT corridor लगा दिया, BRT corridor लगा दिया, 3 मिनट के बजाय 7 मिनट हो गया. Now they're putting a cross BRT corridor. तो 7 मिनट के बजाय कहते हैं 14 मिनट. Very nice. Pedestrian has the right. The pedestrian has the. People can get jammed in cars, but the government doesn't want to stop selling cars because उससे excise निकलता है, road tax निकलता है. नहीं तो बाबू मर जाएंगे भूखे. उनकी तनख्वाह कहाँ से निकलेगी? तो उन्होंने गाड़ी भी बेचनी है और जनता की सेवा भी करनी है. कहते हैं BRT corridor बनाया. They took it from Kurutiba and Bagota and just transplanted it here. The metro didn't work either. The metro only began to work when they made a feeder service. What you feed there is what's going to work. What you feed to the BRT corridor is going to work. So it is not the BRT corridor which is important. It's the feeder to the BRT corridor which is important. Don't look at the watch here. I've taken less than the goodness than black time. Abhi to I haven't started. But if you want, I'll stop at any time. We did a little bit of R&D when I was talking about taking lesser water, etc. We did a little bit of R&D, and that is supposed to be a British bottom sitting on a WC. I couldn't get a Britisher to pose when I was making this film because I wanted him with his pants off. But do you know where the 20-liter cistern emerged from? 20-liter cistern emerged from the fact that the Britisher was reading a newspaper, and after reading the newspaper, he was wiping his bottom with it. It was around the standard of newspaper, how much water is required to take the newspaper down into the sewage system. We wash our bottoms. We've got super satin variety of toilet papers. System remains the same. Then you say, pani fir treatment nahi hota hai. फिर वो यमुना में डालते हैं, फिर 1150 हमने पहले 1150 करोड़ लिया था, जो जापानीज से ख़त्म कर दिया, अब 3000 करोड़ और जापानीज से ले रहे हैं. क्लीन द यमुना प्लान, clean the Ganga plan, you know. You're feeding too much filth into it. This is how the system works, and you can use green pathway. But this, anyhow, water supply. We developed a water filter. This is my pet project at the moment. We developed a water filter. When you develop drinking, ये पानी जो आप मुझे पिला रहे हैं, incidentally, is the single largest reason for cardiovascular disease and osteoporosis. Reverse osmosis, what Hema Malini says. It's reverse osmosis. Now reverse osmosis, उन्होंने सभी realized कि reverse osmosis is wrong. Now they call it ROM, reverse osmosis mineralized. And now you see Hema Malini with the two daughters come, तो minerals खाने आ गए. क्या है ये? But ROM is the single largest killer. Because it gives you less water of less than 80 parts per million. That's why we made this, and you see the drops of water coming there are skulls. You see an Angrez यहाँ आता है, पहले बीमार पड़ जाता है. He's got no body resistance. He doesn't have minerals. So what is this water filter about? You get Ganga Jal, you store it in copper. You can store it for 100 years. You won't believe this. 6 years ago, I was walking on crutches. I came out of hospital after 6 months. Today I work 16 to 18 hours a day. After today's lecture, I'm leaving for Amritsar in the morning for the same nutrition level. I can give you a lecture in Amritsar also. And when I come back in the morning, my son is getting engaged in the evening. The same day. It is a matter of what minerals you require from the water. It is the single largest reason for your illnesses. You store water in Ganga Jal. Ganga Jal in copper. Never this thing. You require 10 milligrams of copper in your body, or this electrolysis system won't work. Your body, you have 92 minerals, and each one is emitting a charge. Just like a cell, it's got zinc outside, it's got carbon inside, it's got the carbon electrodes, it's got the carbon inside, it generates 1.5 volts of this thing. Similarly, the 92 elements are generating electric impulses. If there's a shortage of that mineral, you get a disease. The shortage of another mineral, you get another disease. The shortage of 10 minerals, you get 100 diseases. That's what the body is about. That is why water that was worshipped was when it went through, whether they take Chitrakoot, Rishikesh, Istanbul, Vaishno Devi, it's when water is coming through water, sulfur, copper nitrate, silver, and it is where the holy places come up, because that cleanses your system and that gives you all the. So now when they're telling, the British are telling you that, the electric crematorium, body jalake, we pick up the bones and put it in the river, and they say you're polluting the river, they're stupid. You're cleaning the river because you're adding calcium carbonate back. That calcium carbonate is finding its way into the Bay of Bengal, and Mukesh Ambani is drawing out oil from there, because that is the fossil going down there at 400 degrees centigrade and more than 1.5 kilometers below the sea. It generates 400 degrees centigrade and you get fossil fuel oil. So, I can't put bone charcoal. Even your sugar you have is filtered through bone. I can't have bone charcoal. So the next best thing is coconut shell charcoal. Then we put marble chips. Then we put a bed of silver. And the last one, we put a silver coin. Next time your fridge is not working, put a silver coin in the milk and your milk will not curdle. That is why you have the system of giving a silver or gold spoon to a child when the child is born, because they clean the water. That is the first step to cleaning the disease. And the only side effect of excessive silver or gold in your body is that your skin turns a pale blue. Next time go see a jeweler, please look at his skin. His skin is pale blue. But that is why you have royalties called pale blue. They are called blue skin. Their skin is not blue. Their blood, they are called blue-blooded. Their blood is red. The color of the pigment of the skin of them is blue. And they are called blue-blooded because they ate in silver and gold. So now you tie it up and realize why they are called noble metals.